here. So again, the FOIL method to answer this question. So what we're going to do is the FOIL method, we're going to do the first here, and the first is the two first things in the brackets, y by y. Y by y is y squared. Then we're going to do the two most outer things. You can see them illustrated there on the board. Y by minus 3, or minus 3 by y, is minus 3y. Then we're going to do the two inner things. You can see them. They're demonstrated here. The 1 by the y gives you 1y. And then we're going to do the two last things. The last thing in each bracket, which is these two fellas here. Plus 1 by minus 3. Watch your signs. Unlike signs give minus answer. And 1 by 3 gives you 3. So that's all the multiplying finished with there. And now what we need to do is we need to just tidy up these two fellas here. Be careful. Minus 3 plus 1. Well, if you know your rules, maybe signs different. Small from big. 1 from 3 is 2. Keep the sign of the bigger one. Or I like to do here, I owe someone €3. I paid them off €1. I now owe them €2. And of course that's going to be y squared minus 2y minus 3. Sorted.